Have you ever asked yourself, how can I make money without pouring my life into a 9 to 5? Or maybe, is there a way to build wealth that doesn't need thousands upfront? If those questions hit home, then stick around because today I'm going to dive straight into the 7 best-selling low-content books on Amazon KDP and show you how much they're making. Now, if you're new here, my name is Jeff and I've been self-publishing on Amazon KDP for the last several years. Over that time, I published over 2,000 books and generated over 6 figures in royalties. My first book took weeks to get its first sale, but after that, I was hooked because all I have to do is create a book once, upload it, and Amazon does the rest. They sell it, ship it, and even deal with cranky customers. No warehouse, no inventory, and no huge upfront cost. My goal is to help you become self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first best-selling book that we have is this How to Draw Everything, 600 Simple Step-by-Step Drawings for Kids ages 4 to 8. As we can see, the #1 bestseller badge right here, and it has a book ranking of 803 provided by Titan's QuickView. Now, if we look at the price, we can see it's priced at $15.06. And this is going to include over 600 cute and fun images to draw. Now, if we scroll down here to look at this graph by self-publishing Titans and go back 90 days, 6 months, even a year, we can see just how well it's been selling throughout the past year. It's going to have its ups and downs, but overall, it's selling pretty well. Let me look at all time, and we can see it's been a consistent seller, pretty much 1,000 BSR for the past couple years. Now, if we scroll down here, sometimes they add in the A+ content section some of the interiors, but this book doesn't have it. So if we go up here to read this sample, so if we look right here, we can see exactly what the interiors look like. So this is an armadillo. As you can see, it's just a simple step-by-step how to draw book for kids. It's actually pretty simple how to create these type of books because all you have to do is start with your main image. For example, this one, the main armadillo, and then just start deleting parts of the image and just placing it in the next box until you have one simple image right here. Now, if you don't want to create this manually, you can also hire someone on Fiverr to create this type of book for you. So I did a simple search on Fiverr looking for how to draw KDP books. And right away, I see one right here. So if we check out this listing, we can see for $20, it's going to give you 30 step-by-step pages, very similar to the one that we're looking at, that best-selling book. So for $20, you can create 30 pages. This one, $40 is 60 pages. And then 100 pages, which is most likely a full book, is $80. Now, you can also just search around Fiverr and look for something cheaper because you don't really want to spend too much for this type of book because you can create this by yourself. Now, if we go ahead and take this bestsellers rank to see how much it's making, we're going to use Amazon's print cost and royalty calculator. This is pretty simple. You just add all of your details here. So for this book, the trim size is 8.5 by 11. And the page count is 305 pages with a list price of $15.06. So if we submit this, we can see how much it's making down here. For Amazon.com Marketplace, 60% royalty, minimum list price $10.31 for 305 pages. Print cost $6.19 with an estimated royalty just under $3 at $2.85. Now, what we do is we're going to go over here and use this Amazon KDP book sales calculator. We're going to put in the bestsellers rank right here of 803. And we can see that's about 5,130 book sales per month. And if we take our calculator, we can do 5,130 sales per month times the $2.85. And we get $14,543 per month royalties for this book. Now, the next best-selling book that we have is this Exceptionally Bad Dad Jokes. And this one has 106 pages. And right there, we see the #1 bestseller badge. Now, this one is priced at $10.99. Now, if we scroll down to look at this graph, I like to go all time just to see the type of sales it's been making. And it has its ups and downs, but overall, it's about 5,000 BSR and below, which means it's a really high performer. And if we scroll down right here to look at some A+ content, we can see the type of jokes that are in this book. So here's one: doctor, I've broken my arm in several places. Well, don't go to those places. I just watched a documentary about beavers. It was the best damn program I've ever seen. So as you can see, simple dad jokes, some images here, but not too difficult to create. This one, I wouldn't recommend using Fiverr. I would recommend you creating this book by scratch. You can actually just use AI to come up with these jokes and then put it together on a page. Not very hard at all. I've actually showcased how to create this type of book many times on my channel, so look for those videos. Now, if we go ahead and look at the bestsellers rank, 760. So let's see how much it's making. So using this Amazon KDP book sales calculator, we see a bestsellers rank of 760 is about 5,340 sales per month. Now that we have that, we're going to go over here to the royalty calculator and we're going to put in all of these details. So this book is going to be a 6x9 and it's going to be 106 pages with a list price of $10.99. And when we hit submit, we can see that the estimated royalty ends up to be $3.75. So with this number, if we take our calculator, clear it, $3.75, multiply that number by the 5,340 estimated book sales per month from this Amazon KDP book sales calculator, and we're gonna get $20,000 per month coming from this simple joke book. Now, the next best-selling book that we have is this medium difficulty crossword puzzle book for adults and seniors. This one was just recently published just a few months ago, has the #1 bestseller badge right here, priced at $9.99. And if you know anything about crossword puzzles, you know they're actually pretty simple to make. What I like to use is BookBolt Studio, because if you scroll down here, it's going to give you this option right here where you can create crosswords pretty easily. So all you have to do is fill out the information right here and you can create a crossword puzzle book. So if we go ahead and read the sample to get some ideas for this puzzle book, we can see here's puzzle #1. Looks like just random things. And then puzzle #2, more random words. And so you can create one just like this, or you can make it and create a theme for your book. So you could do things like 60s theme, or you can make a sports crossword puzzle book. Now, if we take this bestsellers rank 1,863, let's see how much this book is making. So we see it's making about 2,790 sales per month. If we go ahead and put that in the calculator, 2,790, multiply that by over here, this royalty calculator. This book is 121 pages and is sized at 8.5 by 11 inches, which is right here, with a list price of $9.99. If we submit that, we can see $2.94, the estimated royalty. So if we go ahead and plug that into the calculator, we can see that this specific book is making over $8,200 per month in royalties. Now, the next best-selling book that we have is this trippy and groovy, bold and easy coloring book. Now, this has all been the rave lately. I've showcased how to create these types of books many times on my channel, so feel free to watch those videos so it can help you create this type of book. This one's going to be a little bit easier depending on your method. 40 pages usually is going to complete this book. This one is priced at $9.99 with a bestsellers rank of 1,141. Now, if we go right here, let's look at this graph. Let's go all time, and you can see just how well it sells. Once it starts selling, it kind of just keeps selling. This one is averaging a BSR about 500. Now, if we go over here, look at the interior, we can see exactly what it looks like. It may look complicated, but if you watch my other videos, it's going to show you how to create this type of book pretty easily, pretty fast, without a lot of trouble, without a lot of hassle. And if you download my KDP Royalty Roadmap, I'll actually show you there how to put all of this together and how to upload it onto Amazon KDP so you can start making sales. Now, if we go ahead and take that bestsellers rank, 1,141, plug it into this Amazon KDP book sales calculator, we can see that estimated book sales, 3,990. So if we go ahead and put that in the calculator, multiply that by this number right here. So this one is 8.5 by 8.5 inches, which is right here, with a list price of $9.99. The page count is 88. So if we submit that, we can see $3.15 for the estimated royalty. Plug that into the calculator. We're going to get $12,568 per month in royalties for this book. Now, the next best-selling book that we have is this Ultimate Activity Book for kids ages 6 to 8. This one is comprised of 100 mazes, dot to dots, word search, and crossword puzzles. So a variety of activity pages in this book. This one's priced at $9.99. And if we look at the description, we can see exactly how many types of activities are in this book. There's 25 dot to dots, 25 crosswords, 25 mazes, 25 word search puzzles. Now, if you use Bookbolt, it's actually going to give you most of these because right here you can create a crossword, you can do word searches, and it has mazes as well. All it doesn't have is that dot to dot, which I've shown how to create on this channel. So watch those videos because my channel has all of the videos that you need to start creating low and medium content books so you can start making money online. Now, if we scroll down here, we're going to see some of the actual interiors. So here is the crossword puzzle, the connect the dots, mazes, word search puzzles. Very simple. Does take some time to build this, but as you're going to see with the bestsellers rank of 3,767, we're going to see just how much this book is making. So with that bestsellers rank, we can see 1,650 book sales per month. If we put that in the calculator, 1650, multiply that by this number right here, paperback, this one's going to be 8.5 by 11. Page count is going to be 107 with a list price of $9.99. Submit that. And we see $3.15. Put that in the calculator and we're going to get $5,197 per month in royalties for this book. Now, the next best-selling book that we have is this Would You Rather book for kids. So we can see this one's priced at $9.99. Number one bestseller badge right here, 144 pages. And if we look at the interior, we can see what it looks like. So here's one. Would you rather live in a kangaroo's pocket or have a pocket on your belly to keep a tiny kangaroo in? So it's just built with a lot of these would you rather questions. They are fun. They are simple. You can use AI to create these types of questions. Just make sure you don't have duplicate questions because that's going to be the biggest issue with AI. But you can easily put a book together. I actually created a book using AI with this method. And if you want to learn how to do that, check out the video on my channel so that you can learn how to create this type of book. Now, with that bestsellers rank of 99, we can see over 19,000 estimated book sales per month. Now, if we plug that into the calculator, 19530, multiply that by this number right here, and it's going to be a 6 by 9 inch book, 144 pages, list price $9.99. So the estimated royalty, $3.27. Now, if we take the calculator, times that by 327, we're going to get a whopping $63,000 per month coming from this simple Would You Rather joke book. Now, the next best-selling book that we have for today is this big word search. Now, this one has 4,000 words, priced at $9.99. And so 100 puzzles here, 114 pages, 8.5 by 11 inches. And if we look at the interior, very simple type of book. You really just need to come up with your themes, your topics. But once again, you can use AI to help you with the topics, to help you with the actual words, and then you plug it into Bookbolt so that you can create this type of page. It's actually pretty simple. Watch the videos on my channel on how to create this type of book. Now, if we put 855 into this KDP book sales calculator, we can see 4,920 book sales estimated per month. Now let's plug that into the calculator, 4920, multiply that by this number right here. And this one's gonna be an 8.5 by 11 inch book, 114 pages, list price $9.99. So the estimated royalty turns out to be $3.06. Now, if we go ahead and put that in the calculator, that's going to equate to $15,000 per month for this best-selling book. If you want more of this type of video, let me know by commenting down below. And if you enjoyed this one, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, as well as follow me on all my socials at JeffSetLife. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.